Looking for the best mini circular saws 2025? In this video, we'll explore the top mini circular saws that deliver precision, power, and portability for all your cutting needs. Whether you're working on DIY projects or professional tasks, we've got the best mini circular saws to fit every budget and requirement. If you want to know about price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. DeWalt Atomic 20V Max * Circular Saw. The DeWalt Atomic 20V Max Circular Saw * is one of the best mini circular saws 2025, designed for high-performance cutting in tight spaces. This 4.5-inch saw offers powerful cutting ability while remaining compact and lightweight, making it the best compact circular saw 2025 for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. Its durable construction ensures long-lasting reliability, while the ergonomic design provides comfort during extended use. With its impressive speed and precision, the DeWalt Atomic Circular Saw is ideal for a variety of materials, making it a top choice for those who need a reliable and efficient tool. If you're looking for the top mini circular saw 2025, this is the perfect addition to your tool collection. Number 2. Doverman Circular Saw. The Doverman Circular Saw is one of the best mini circular saws 2025, designed for precision and power. This lightweight circular saw 2025 features a 5.8A motor and 4/1/2 blade, offering smooth and efficient cuts through wood, metal, and plastic. With its metal auxiliary handle, you get added control and stability for accurate cuts. The saw comes with 6 saw blades in different sizes, 4.5 and 4 3/4, and a cutting depth of 1/11/16 at 90 degrees, making it versatile for a range of tasks. If you're looking for the best cordless mini circular saw 2025, this is a solid choice, combining performance and comfort. Whether you're working on DIY projects or small-scale construction, this saw will help you achieve professional results with ease. Number 3. Galax Pro Mini Circular Saw. The Galax Pro Mini Circular Saw is one of the best mini circular saws 2025, offering excellent precision and power. With a 3400 RPM speed, this high-performance mini circular saw 2025 can effortlessly cut through wood, plastic, and more. It features a laser guide for accurate cuts and a rip guide for better control. Equipped with 2 blades, 24T and 60T, it provides versatility for various projects. The 1/11/16 90 degrees, and 1/1/8 45 degrees, cutting depths make it perfect for a variety of tasks. Powered by a DC-20V 2.0 Ah battery, this tool provides reliable performance without the hassle of cords. Looking for the best budget mini circular saw 2025? The Galax Pro delivers exceptional value, combining affordability with high-quality performance. Number 4. Worx WX439L 4.5 amp WRX-SAW. The Worx WX439L 4.5 amp work saw is a top contender for the best mini circular saws 2025. This best small circular saw 2025 offers powerful cutting with its 4.5 amp motor and 4.5-inch blade, ideal for a variety of materials like wood, plastic, and metal. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to handle, providing maximum comfort for extended use. If you're looking for a mini circular saw for DIY projects 2025, this tool is perfect, combining portability with precision. With a cutting depth of 1/11/16 at 90 degrees, it's versatile for all your home improvement tasks. Plus, its ergonomic handle ensures you have full control while cutting, making it a must-have for any DIY enthusiast or professional. Number 5. WorkPro 20V Cordless Mini Circular Saw. The WorkPro 20V Cordless Mini Circular Saw is one of the best mini circular saws 2025, designed to deliver powerful performance in a compact size. With a 4/1/2 blade and a 4500 RPM motor, it provides precise cuts through wood, plastic, and more. This lightweight circular saw 2025 features a laser guide for enhanced accuracy and comes with a 4.0 Ah battery and fast charger to keep you going. With a max cutting depth of 1/11/16, 90 degrees, and 1/1/8, 45 degrees, this saw offers flexibility for different projects. As the best cordless mini circular saw 2025, it's perfect for DIYers and professionals who need a powerful, portable, and reliable tool to handle various cutting tasks effortlessly. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information about these products, do check out my description. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more easier.